Welcome back, another episode of Fab Town. So the Z, we did change the exhaust on it, and it's a little loud. So I want to shoot a quick video on us changing out the muffler. This is a 3-inch in, 4-inch tip, and it resonates super bad. There's no resonator in it. It's just the muffler, and it is a little deafening. And I like to drive this thing, so I don't think I'm going to be hurting it a whole lot by putting on a 3-inch to 3-inch muffler. And once Chappie gets out of the shitter, I'm sure he'll be happy to help me. So I'm going to go ahead, get this thing prepped. We're going to do before and after of what it sounds like, so you guys can get an idea of how much difference 3-inch to 3-inch instead of a 4-inch tip makes, and how much of a difference that the little extension off the back of it makes. It's huge, it's massive, it's crazy. So let's get to it. I'm gonna hand the camera over to Chappie just so you can get an idea how loud and stupid this thing is.
It also looks stupid.
It's loud. It's too loud. Hurts my ears. What we're gonna do is real simple. We're gonna cut it right there. Measure the distance from where that tip sticks out, because I want it to stick out about the same. And then once we figure that out, cut it, slip it in there, weld it, put a hanger on it. Shouldn't take too long. All right, now this ain't the nicest cut in the world. That's okay. We accept people for who they are. Woo! I couldn't have been much easier. Chap, you mind grabbing that jack?
You're a pipe word.
Hey!
Hey man, I didn't start recording for no reason. You better get back on there and start doing some welding. That's way quieter.